Meaning of communication. The word communication came from the Latin word communis, which means common. Communication is the exchange of information, ideas, facts, feelings, opinions between two or more persons. Communication is complete when both the persons, receiver and sender, understand the same thing in the same sense. Every communication involves at least one sender, a message, and a receiver. This may sound simple, but communication is actually a very complex subject. There are many communication channels available to us today. These channels include face to face conversation, telephone calls, text messages, email, social media such as Facebook and Twitter, radio, TV, written letters, brochures, and reports. We should choose an appropriate communication channel for effective communication. Communication is a two-way process. Objective of communication. The basic objective of communication is to share or seek information. For example, our parents, teachers speak to give information they want us to hear. Authors write to express their ideas that they want us to read. Similarly, the painters, artists draw pictures to communicate us how those objects look or appear. Process of communication or elements of communication cycle. The communication cycle can be defined as a process where one person exchanges messages or imparts ideas and information with another person or a community. The communication process is dynamic in nature rather than a static phenomenon. It affects and also gets affected by many variables. The main components of the communication cycle are as under: number 1, sender; number 2, message; third, encoding; fourth, communication channel; fifth, receiver; sixth, decoding; or 7, feedback. Now, number 1, sender. The sender is the person who starts the communication. Number 2, message. It is the idea, information, view, fact, suggestion, etc. that the sender wants to send to the receiver. Third, encoding. It is the process of converting the idea, information, fact, etc. into communicable message. This is done using words, symbols, pictures, symbols, and sounds. That is, the sender encodes the message symbolically before it is being conveyed. Fourth, communication channel. The message may be transmitted orally or in writing. The medium of communication includes telephone, email, post, social media, etc. The choice of medium is decided by the sender. In marketing or promotions, the message channel may be television, radio, newspaper, or a salesperson. Fifth, receiver. Receiver is the person for whom the message is sent by the sender. For example, all viewers of a television advertisement can be referred to as the receivers of the message. Sixth, decoding. When the receiver views or hears the message, they do what is termed decoding. Decoding means interpreting the meaning of the message. The receiver tries to understand the meaning of the message received by him. Seventh, feedback. Feedback is the response or reaction of the receiver after understanding the message. Noise. Noise is the term given to anything that disrupts the communication. For example, noise of passing truck when we are talking with someone on roadside. Noise does not necessarily involve audible distraction. In the case of promotion, marketing communication, example of noise could be poorly placed billboards or words on the advertisements are very small.
We may inform you that we have already uploaded a number of courses, that is cybersecurity, present tense, past tense, future tense, email writing, debate writing, note making, most common mistakes in English grammar, letter writing, web applications, crop production, business studies, DBMS, and much more. You can view the same on Google, YouTube, Udemy, Tutorials Point, our own website, and many other sites. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.